Hi, this is Sarita Laroche and you're at Roche Art. Right now I'm in France, which is wonderful, and I get access to this great little French art studio, but it's really not a place to be doing fluid art. So today I just thought I would show you something that I hadn't posted before. You're gonna have to forgive me because it kind of has a Christmas theme, but the reason I wanted to show it to you was because I see a lot of people who make 1 or 2 or 10 fluid art paintings and they get really frustrated because they don't get the effects they want. Maybe they're looking to get cells, maybe they're looking to get more structures, interest, movement, whatever. And I just want to say that after hundreds of fluid art paintings and selling dozens and dozens of fluid art paintings and feeling pretty confident. I teach classes. I help other people enjoy fluid art as much as I enjoy it. I'm just gonna say it right now. Sometimes it just does not work. And all of my well-laid plans, all of my attention to palette, composition, consistency of paint, all of that, sometimes it just doesn't work. So what I have learned is that you just keep painting, just keep adding. Sometimes you have to let go of what you thought a painting was going to be and let it become something else completely. So I thought I would just do a little video showing you one of the paintings that I embellished. It did not start out great. It was a real disappointment in terms of a fluid art painting, but I just put those in what I call my unfinished pile. And I give myself, I don't know, a month, 3 months, 6 months. I go back and look at it and see how could it be reimagined? What can I add to it to make it special? So here's a little time lapse of me embellishing a painting, and then at the end you could see a few more that I didn't record the embellishments, but you can see the before and after. Here it is before. You can see that the values of the colors are so similar. There's not enough contrast. It just looks a little bit blah. So let's work on it.